Boy, this joint good. That's good. That's capital good. It's just a little different taste to it, you feel me?
It's better than Wendy's.
Yeah, I heard that. How to Train Your Dragon mozzarella. We're gonna enter the mozzarella stick into that burger. And we're going to see how it tastes. I know y'all ain't do this. Stop acting like y'all did this. So go ahead and do it now because y'all seen it here first, man. Woo, woo. Both of them, I have to lock the door, make sure nobody come take my food. Oh my God. Oh, yo, what the hell happened to my buns, huh? What they did to my bun, yo? Y'all see that?
It just looks good. Like.
Yeah, that drink look good. Y'all see that? Okay. Okay. Let me put a flying dragon piss sauce. Like what? Oh my God. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, we here. Let's do it. Hey man, just got the Burger King. It's that time, man. Let's go. What you eating, bro? You eating a regular Whopper? Okay. They got crowns all over. Pick up. How you doing? I'm here to pick up order number 73, I think. Burgers up here. That Whopper. I'm gonna go ahead and get mine. How to Train Your Dragon. Let's go. Let's get that meal. Let's go. She got that lemonade. Hey man, that How to Train Your Dragon. Oh, thank you. How to Train Your Dragon, man. Just got the drinks. You know, we gonna try that for sure. Look at my hat, man. How to Train Your Dragon hat. Let's go. One of these right here. It's a good design, though. What y'all think about this?
Ice cream.
Thank you so much. Let's go ahead and see that. Marinara and ranch, I believe. These are both of the meals, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Hey man, we done got everything. Now it's time to go. Yes sir. Got the hat, got everything. Let's go, man. Let's do it. Good vibes. We know this. How to Train Your Dragon. Okay. Okay. Yeah, like they got seasoning in that shit. Let's go. The drinks, you know what I'm saying?
Soaring lemonade.
Soaring lemonade drinks. We got the mozzarella. Smaller babies. Let's see what it's hitting for. Yo, get my hat back, man. What's going on here, man?
It's bussin'.
Busting out the bando. Let's go. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let me try that soaring lemonade drink. Shake that up. Cheers. Cheers. Let's taste that. First taste of the whole meal. Whoo, I'm soaring, baby. Hold on. That shit is gonna give you a little sugar rush, but that's why it's called soaring. You start drinking that shit, you start flying everywhere. You start moving, doing things that you ain't supposed to be doing. Hold on, let's try this right here. I can't lie, that shit busting though. I can't lie. That shit is good. It got a little, it's just a little different taste to it. You feel me?
It's better than Wendy's.
Yeah, I heard that.
The Wendy's.
The Wendy's strawberry lemonade, right? It's better than that one. That's what I was thinking about. I was thinking about the Wendy's.
This one's mad fresh.
Yeah. They done put a dragon tail in this bitch or something, man. Sheesh. Yeah, okay, let's try this right here. That, you know? Let's go ahead and try that, man. First try. Let's get everything in there. Everything in one. Everything in one spoon, you know what I'm saying? That shit good too. Hold on, what's in there? What's these other shits in there? What the heck?
The purple and green cookie things.
Yeah, what's that? That's some,
I gotta
well,
look
whatever it is, it's good. In the word of mother. That's a vibe right there. Okay. Now we on to the next. We didn't try the juice. A+. This, A+. Now, we gotta try everything else.
It's vanilla soft serve, Hershey's chocolate syrup, and black and green cookie crumbles.
Ooh wee! Black and green tasting mean. For sure. Y'all see that?
It just looks good. Like,
Yeah, that drink look good. Y'all see that? Sheesh. Hold on. Let's dip that, man. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comments down below if y'all try these, man. Or what y'all think they may taste like. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Okay. Now I see why niggas getting a ranch though. It's like it give it like a little different tang, different. I don't know what the heck it is, man. But it just give it something different. Oh my God, let me finish this right here.
I just like that it's not too much like bread compared to the cheese, like regular.
This is good. This is good. This is good. You get a little spice to it too.
It's like a chicken fry with cheese in it.
Oh yeah, chicken cheese fry. With some flaming Doritos on there. Yeah, come on now.
You know what would have went good with this? A cheese sauce.
Oh yeah, cheese sauce for sure. Nice little dipping cheese sauce. I'm about to go tell me, give me that cheese sauce, G.
Damn, I did like the ranch better.
Ranch is fire, right?
They did that. I like that.
That's fire. Let's go. No, I'm gonna show y'all this again, man. This is so good, bro. Look at that. Wow. Marinara, definitely good too. Definitely good too. But marinara or the ranch, let me see. Let's try both of them, matter of fact.
I like how they did that.
Let's try both of them. Hold on. Marinara and ranch. Hold on. Mara ranch. What the? That's unbeatable. You gotta try both of them, son. Woo, woo. Both of them, I have to lock the door and make sure nobody come take my food. Oh my God. Nah, that's crazy, bro. The marinara with the ranch. Y'all ain't never tried this, bro. Stop playing. This is fire. This is fire. No way. No way.
I just want to see what it looks like.
I just unlocked a fucking gem.
Ooh. Off camera before you show them. Look at that.
Oh my God.
I'm not gonna lie, that's beautiful.
Now you gotta try this though. Like the ranch with the. Yeah, that shit fire. That shit, like, it give you like, I don't know what it is, but like, oh my God.
That hits different.
Yeah, that hit different right there. That shit
I
fire.
like that though.
Yeah, that's fire. I like mixing different sauces that taste good together, you know, because it'll give you something just like
Completely brand new.
ooh.
When is McDonald's gonna do something like that?
You heard that, McDonald's? When is McDonald's gonna step out the box literally and start giving only Happy Meals? You know, that's it. That's what she said. I mean,
they came out with something called chicken strips or something.
yeah.
McDonald's.
Let's go. Let's go. They said the bun is supposed to be different colors. I guess it's supposed to be like red and orange, shit like that, right? So let's see. Oh, yo, what the hell happened to my buns, huh? What they did to my bun, yo, they peeled my bun, son. Yo, they peeled my bun, bruh. Come on, son. The presentation not there no more, bruh. All right, let's go on this side. You gotta turn it this way. My bad. Let's turn this way. Now, let's check this out. Woo! Okay, let's open this up. Let's open this up. Let's open this up. Hold on. What we got in there? Oh, we got that bacon. Okay, we got mayonnaise. Okay, we got the lettuce. You know what I'm saying? We got tomatoes, pickles, and we got onions. Onions. Okay, first bite though. First bite. Let's go ahead and put all my lettuce and stuff back in there. You know. Let's go to the first bite. Let's go.
I'm weird. I eat mine like upside down, like this, instead of the other one.
Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. First off, I never had a Whopper with bacon in it.
That's what I'm about to say. It's a Whopper.
Really good.
Yeah. This is good. This is good right here. Okay.
They didn't do too much.
Yeah, exactly. They didn't like try to add too much different sauces on it.
Mm-hmm.
Let me put a flying dragon piss sauce. Like what? What you talking about? I don't want that no more. Like, come on.
I love how beautiful the coloring is, though.
This is definitely good, man. The coloring, like, show them yours, please.
Mm-hmm.
Because yours is more beautiful than mine. Oh my God, y'all see that?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all see that?
Yours got more of like a red coloring to it. I like that one.
Yeah, yours is fire though. Your shit pop. Yeah, that's nice,
That's
man.
cool. That's cool.
Wow. Hey man, I'm gonna finish busting this down, man. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be rating this burger, man. How to Train Your Dragon mozzarella. We're gonna enter the mozzarella stick into that burger. And we're going to see how it tastes. I know y'all ain't do this. Stop acting like y'all did this. So go ahead and do it now because y'all seen it here first, man. Go put that burger. Go get that burger. Go get everything y'all need. You know what I mean? Mozzarellas. Go put that in the burger, man. We're going to see how that tastes, man. You know what I mean? Just open that up. Throw that in there. But then we're not done yet, though. Chill out. We're not done yet. We got to add the sauce on there. You feel me? So we got to add the sauce, right? So, bam. Come on, son. Are you there or are you not? All right. Yeah. We add the sauce on there. Bam. Right? Mozzarella sauce right there. And then you add the ranch on there too. Hold on. Chill out. I'm getting so excited. Just chill. Just, you know. Hold on.
Undefeated combo.
Undefeated combo. Hold on. You add the ranch on there if it want to come out. Okay. We make it come out. Bam. Wow. Mozzarella dipping and flipping. Is you tripping? Let's go. All right, now let's take first bite. This is my first time eating this too, so you know if it's nasty, it's nasty. Let's go. Oh my God! Boy! What the fuck? Oh, I'm sorry, but like, this joint good. That's good. That's capital good. Yo. Y'all tripping. Y'all gotta go get that right now. Go put that. Oh my God, that's, man, listen, I'm out of here, bro. Capital good. Oh my God. Bye-bye. This shit is a 10.